Hey there, welcome to Techposts. Today I have the WASP 2 Elite Edition from FlyDigi, and this is a one-handed gamepad which is specially designed for PUBG game players, and it works on both Android and iOS devices like the iPhone. So without any further delay, let's just quickly unbox it. The box is nicely packed and has some information, not much. The WASP 2 Elite Edition is a Bluetooth controller, and you can start by scanning the barcode to install the FlyDigi app. You may also search and install it directly from the Play Store or the App Store. The app is really important, as without this app, this controller won't work. So make sure you install it. Now let's just quickly unbox this WASP 2 controller. Wow, this is so cool. It comes with a carrying case, and that too a hard case. This is neat. Perfect. And the material is good. Plus the FlyDigi logo looks cool and the zipper is of good quality. I must say that FlyDigi has done some really good work here by including this case. Now let's see what else we got here. Well, nothing. I think this is it. Yes, this is it. So let's just open up this case. Okay, so everything is inside this case. So let's have a look. It looks like a switch controller. Okay, so it's a middle finger button that goes at the back of the controller. We will find out more about it later in this video or maybe in the next video. Also, there's an extra joystick and it's different than what's already on the controller. So basically the joystick is replaceable and you can choose between convex and the concave design joystick, whatever you would like to play with. So this is a nice touch. For now, let's just keep them aside and take out the other stuff that we have here. So there's a pouch. This must contain the charging cable, and then we have the warranty card with a thank you note and a notice that says, that asks to buy the controller only via official links. By the way, I have already mentioned the links in the description. So follow them to buy a genuine WASP 2 Elite Edition one-hand game controller. Next, we have the user manual, and it contains all the information about the gamepad, how to set it up, and troubleshooting steps with some basic operation guide. I must say that the manual is not overwhelming. It contains all the information and helps you quickly get started with the controller. So this is really good. You don't have to go through those thick documentation and all. Now let's just open up this bag. Okay, so it contains a USB Type-C cable. Oh, did I forget to mention that this gamepad is rechargeable and requires a USB Type-C cable? Well, now you know that. The quality of this cable is decent and you can connect any phone charger to charge this game controller, and the length of this cable is about 0.8 meters, which is long enough. Now let's get our hands on this one hand controller. Wow, I must say that the quality of this controller is top notch. Good quality of plastic is used and has a TPU rubber grip at the back, which isn't much sticky but helps keep hold on the controller. It also has this adjustable handle, which is cool. So you can basically expand it and then put your phone between the handle and push it till it holds your phone nicely. The grip is really good and the device doesn't fall off, as you can see here. It can hold devices up to 86mm wide, and there's no need to remove case or screen protector from your device. It works well. It has a charging time of 1.5 hours to 2 hours, and you can keep playing games for up to 80 hours, which is insane. But one thing to notice here is that this game controller doesn't vibrate. So there's no motor inside. So you won't be getting any feedback. But that's not a deal breaker. Looking at the size of this controller. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you need to install FlyDigi app to get started. So open up the app and then slide this switch to turn on the game controller. Then tap on connect button on the FlyDigi app and choose one hand controller from the available controllers, and that's it. The app will automatically connect to the controller. Just make sure you allow all the permissions which the app asks. but you can't play any game with this controller as of now. This controller requires further permissions, and for that you must enable USB debugging. So for that, on your Android device, go to Settings, About Phone and tap on build number 7 times to enable the developers option. Then go to developer option and turn on the USB debugging mode. Now you need to connect the WASP2 controller to your Android via USB Type-C port. My S10 has Type-C, so I can connect, but if your Android device has a micro USB port, you will have to buy a Type-C to micro USB adapter. A link to buy that adapter is also given in the description. Now, once you have connected the controller via USB Type-C or micro USB, tap activate and follow the instructions. Basically, once connected, you will get a prompt on your Android. Check the circle and allow the access. This is a one-time setup and that is it. Once the permission has been granted and controller is activated, you can go ahead and launch any game and start playing your favorite game, which is of course the PUBG. But you can also set up controls for other games and then play using this one-hand controller. So once the setup is done for all your other games and PUBG, all you have to do is from the next time is open the FlyDigi app and start playing. Now there's one major concern about these kinds of PUBG game controllers, and that is that it may get you banned. However, that's not true, at least for this controller. This controller is safe and doesn't get you banned on PUBG. Why? Because it uses FlashPlay Mode, which is developed by FlyDigi. Now what's FlashPlay Mode? Well, it's an algorithm that simulates finger touch and therefore there's no need to worry about getting banned. I've been using this controller for about a week now and everything is normal, but my gameplay has definitely improved. With this controller, I'm now more agile. So that was a quick unboxing and a quick setup guide of WASP2 Elite Edition. If you want to see more and want to know more about this, let me know via the comments down below. And if you like this controller, follow the links in the description to buy the genuine edition of WASP2. It is shipped worldwide and is available for around $51 US. If this video was helpful and interesting, please like this video and also subscribe us for more videos related to WASP2 and other game controllers. I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.